Hi Cancer, welcome to my channel, and we are here to do your reading for the month of July 2020. And before I start, I just want to wish you all a very happy birthday. If your birthday has already been passed, then I hope you had a great time, and if it's yet to come, then wishing you all that you enjoy it to the fullest. So with that wish, and let's begin. What's lining up for you for the month of July? I've already shuffled the cards. Let's see for Cancer. The first card, what we've got is the Page of Sword. That means some communication which is absolutely not done tactfully. It's something which you I'm sensing this is the energy of the past for you here, Cancer. And two pages to start with. We've got the Page of Sword and we've got the Page of Wands. Now that's the energy of like something not like something being dealt, not like an expert, but something like an apprentice. And it is not that you are an apprentice or you are not an experienced person. However, what I'm sensing, the situation with which or for what you're kind of which is weighing on your head and you're watching this reading for, was not dealt like an expert or not dealt with a great amount of maturity. And here I'm sensing that it was like a Page of Sword wherein some harsh words were shared, something which was shared in a very untactful manner. And after that communication being done, and this communication could be from you or from the other person, or it could be an exchange mutually, but you felt but I'm tapping into your energy, so I'm kind of be reading your energy, so pick whatever resonates with you. But after this communication which was dealt, maybe you felt like left out in the cold, and this is, as I said, something which I'm picking up the energy of the past. And this is something you felt as if there was a sense of lack in the material world, and you felt as if the doors are shut deep within. If I kind of check into your soul, you wanted to say a nice heartfelt what do I say, that nice heartfelt hello, which is very warm and which is very kind of welcoming. But what got delivered was something very harsh, something very not so good. So that's what I'm sensing. And as I said, this is something which I'm sensing is the energy of the past. Now, but as I said, the time is also fluid. So pick if it is something which happened recently, and this energy of the past could be like yesterday, or because I'm reading like today is what, 12th, and this could be the energy of how you started the month. This could be the energy of the last couple of months or something like that, maybe last couple of weeks, months, or howsoever. But this is what I'm sensing is the energy of the past for you, and or something which just kind of recently happened. Now let's tune in and see what else is lining up for you and for Cancer. Okay. Yeah, there comes a maturity. Now you're feeling like a queen. Now you're feeling as if now here a queen is not by the gender, but like that that maturity. The page has become a queen. Now you feel that you can handle the situation much better. You can communicate more effectively. You know what is lining up, and you can deliver the truth pretty much in a way which is in a matured way. It's not like something, it could still be calling a spade, which is what this the court cards in the sword suit will kind of would mean. But what I'm sensing here is that it could still be calling a spade, and it might be construed as hurtful by somebody else. But here you are kind of not taking any bullshit, and it's like rightly being putting it forth, and you just very confidently can handle things now. In the recent past, or in the past, the energies were not like that. You kind of dealt it with very brutally, harshly, but now things are different. And we've got this under 5 of Pentacle, we've got this Tower. Now you are feeling that limited feeling or something which's been blocked, that is undergoing a transformation. There are things with which you moved and took that path which made you feel not complete, or made you feel that this is not what I am, this is like a kind of limited version of me, and I need to have an unlimited or a kind of the expanded version of me, which is what was how you're feeling, but that's transforming. There were some things in your life which were based on I would say weak pillars, or not so strong pillars, and that had to be destroyed so that the new firm foundation can be laid in your life, which is not based out of lack. So there is no sense of lack which needs to exist in our lives, and that thing has to transform. And if that lack was coming out because some things were based on not very soul based, strong, firm foundation, that can give us a feeling of lack, but that is what is transforming and getting burned down, and you are ready for it, because that comes like a Queen of Swords, and maybe you initiated that. Now this is also progressing. It's very coming very aptly here, except this major arcana, which kind of, this is the center of your reading. So this month of July is extremely transformative for you. But this is Knight of Wands, which has come after Page of Wands. So you're also becoming here. You've been just wanting to say that hello, the heartfelt, welcoming note. Here you're doing it. This is the card of action. So the page is becoming a knight here. The action is happening here. So you are taking the charge of the situation after the transformation, which is kind of been done, was supposed to be happening, and now it happens. Transformation within, or could be outside. Pick as it resonates. And this here kind of pushes you to take action, because action is needed. Your heart is feeling it, your soul is feeling it, you're kind of burning in fire to take that action. You've been holding yourself for quite some time probably, and here comes the horse, which is galloping at speed which is unstoppable, and that is what is the growth happening in you, and that's how you are feeling right now in the month of July. You want to gallop ahead, you want to take action, you want to take charge of the situation, and you want to move towards maybe a queen, or maybe a situation which kind of needs to be dealt a little differently now, or maybe need to be dealt with truth, because this is the sword of truth. And but you are feeling pretty passionate about things now, and that is really wonderful. Now I'm changing the deck, and let's see, this is the after tarot. Let's see what comes forth. Okay, this is nice. All right, so we have the Nine of Pentacles here, which is pretty much the independent energy. Now here you feel after kind of dealing with the truth, and now you're maturing to deal with the truth. And after that, you realize that as you're moving along from Five of Pentacles, which was something which you felt, you have created a nice place for yourself. Now you're feeling pretty confident. Now you're feeling as if you can invite people to this beautiful garden which you have created. You can enjoy it, and you can invite others also, and you've released that message to because this is an after tarot. You've you have released that message to reach out to somebody to join into this garden, and that is what this communication might feel like. Maybe you're ready, if you're not if you're kind of watching it for some partnership, because this is a pentacle, this is earthly energy. Maybe you want to establish a partnership in this earthly plane, and you are feeling ready now, or in the future. You will see that in the near future these things will start to unfold for you, because you are feeling you freed yourself up from any ties, you freed yourself from any limitations, and here you are ready to take charge. And we have got another major arcana under major arcana. Now this is the World card, and this World card is meaning and telling you that a lot of things are happening basis the destiny, and you had to feel like that, a sense of lack, so that your soul can push you to take some action, and which is what you do. And this was all part of destiny. and you kind of had to the cycle that there are some timelines which are closing and the new ones which are emerging as this tower comes tumbling down, which was being based there for quite some time. You felt it's strong, you felt it's like something which is unshakable, but this is coming down because it ought to, right? And now here there is an offer of healing which is coming to you. There is this flower, there is this person, there is this somebody probably in your life whom you feel is very can offer you that solace, can offer you that peace and healing. You when you lie down, and when you kind of connect with yourself, that is when you kind of feel the presence of this person and this healing. This could be anybody. This could be maybe you're connecting with your angels, but I don't see any wings here, but not necessary. This could be an individual who is kind of giving you that kind of notion of the healing like angels would. And this is in your mental realm because this is about sword. So maybe you think about this person in a very mental space. Maybe others don't know about it, but you know that thinking about this and in a positive way heals you. When you think of saying that small hello and extending yourself from the warm hearted, and when you think of taking those actions in the direction for this partnership, this kind of soothes you down, and you feel that this is part of the destiny. And you, in the center of the reading, it's a tower, which means that there is something which you also know needs to be delivered, a truth, so that things can shift and things can change, is what I'm picking on as far as the month of July is concerned for you, Cancer. But this surely is a very transformative month for you. And the first card which I got is the prayer will help this situation. So if there are changes which you are undergoing, which you've been wanting, or in whichever way, there are the Archangel Michael is saying that say a little prayer. And I've got two cards from Romance Angels. Let me have a look. So prayer will help the situation. You can call upon Archangel Michael to deliver the truth if you are finding yourself being inefficient to do that, or kind of inadequate to do that, or you don't know how things will unfold. You can do that. And another one which has come for you is playfulness. To recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. So if you are watching this reading for anything to do with romance, then specifically this kind of ask you to be playful in the romantic aspect. However, if you're not watching it in the romantic aspect of your life, this means that bring about that playfulness in your life and take things into the stride with a lot of playfulness. And there is some reconciliation coming in. Someone from your past is returning into your life. So there is reconciliation coming in. When this reconciliation happens, you need to see that you're playful and do say a little prayer so that things work out just fine. And if you are planning to take this action ahead and to reconcile with somebody, and probably if you were wondering whether it's right or no, so maybe that comes as a little reconciliation. But there is some reconciliation which is coming with somebody wherein you kind of felt that disconnect or in the past. So maybe that's what is lining up for you. And with that note, let me kind of pull out one guidance message for you, Cancer. Whatever is the guidance message, most apt one for you from angels, whatever they want you to message from angels, the guidance message from angels, something which is absolutely apt. And here comes a very, very nice card. Well, let me show and read this out for you, and you can read it for yourself as well. Celebration. It is time for you to look for joy, and it is your birthday month, so you should be celebrating for sure. It is time for you to look for the joy, the delight, and the wonder of every day and rejoice in it. When we celebrate the passing events and transitions of life, and this is the transition of your life which you are asked to, which you've been asked to celebrate as well. When we celebrate the passing events and transitions of life, it is our way of giving thanks, and the angels delight with us. Whenever possible, celebrate with others, for the great energy is raised which attracts many angels drawn by the laughter and lightness to add their blessings. It will bond you happily with others. Angel wisdom reminds you to celebrate and honor all things large or small in your life. Find something to celebrate now. An affirmation which you can use is, my life is a celebration. So this is a reading for you, Cancer. Thank you so much for all the support you extend. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the mid-month, which is already there. Maybe in a couple of few days I should be starting the second half reading. So stay tuned, and see you later. Till then, spread love and be happy.